Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word dateline in depth. First, the definition. Dateline means a line indicating the date and place of writing in a document or news report. Think of it simply as the label on a letter showing when and where it was written. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Dateline traces back to the 19th century to mark news dispatch origins in newspapers. Over time, it's been used by journalists and editors. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use dateline in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The journalist included the dateline to show where the story was reported from. Correct example 2. Every article in the newspaper must have a clear dateline for context. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to dateline my breakfast, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using dateline correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Dateline means a line indicating the date and place of writing in a document or news report. It comes from the 19th century origins in journalism, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with dateline down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.